Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Thursday, the 7th of October 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics and business today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 closed up 0.7% today to finish at 7,257 points. Westpac, National Australia Bank, ANZ and Macquarie Group all rose more than 1%. The exception was Commonwealth Bank, which was flat. There's been an investment broker or two that has put out negative notes about the country's biggest company in recent days, basically saying it's relatively expensive, and that's weighing on its share price. Fortescue was down nearly 2% today, while the tech stocks did well. Afterpay and Xero both ended up around 3%. In corporate news, KFC franchisee in Australia, Collins Foods, will now run the fast food outlet in the Netherlands after signing a deal with the US-based KFC owner, Yum Brands. Its share price jumped almost 7% on the news. Buy now, pay later group Sezzle, which is listed on the ASX but operates out of the US, said it had done a deal with US retailer Target, triggering a 15% rise in its share price. Sezzle is too small to be on the top 200, but the best performer of the top 200 was Super Retail Group, up 7.8%. Whitehaven Coal was the worst performer, down 7%, though it has run pretty hard recently. Most of the coal companies lost ground today after Russian President Vladimir Putin this morning said he'd move to take pressure off soaring energy prices. Wesfarmers is in a battle with Sigma Healthcare to purchase Australian pharmaceutical industries. Sigma's bid is higher, but Wesfarmers has a right, which it exercised today, to buy Washington H. Soul Pattinson's 19% share of API. Both companies are doing due diligence on API at the moment. In economic news, the Bureau of Statistics released data today that showed that payroll jobs through July, August and September fell back below their pre-pandemic level, all thanks to the lockdowns in Victoria, the ACT and to a lesser extent, New South Wales. In COVID news, the Prime Minister Scott Morrison said New South Wales, which will reopen next Monday, provided hope for the rest of the country. The State Premier Dominic Perrottet announced some extra easing of restrictions from next week. Wall Street ended last night's session generally higher. The Aussie dollar is trading around 72.7 US cents, and Bitcoin has gone on a run recently, reaching almost 54,000 US dollars a unit. One of the world's biggest investors, Soros Fund Management, this morning confirmed it was trading in the digital currency. That's it for the afternoon market report for Thursday, the 7th of October, 2021. Join me tomorrow morning for the Friday edition of Fear and Greed, and then for my chat to Tim Lawless from CoreLogic about the amazing Australian property market. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.